Starting around 08 July 2023, a share vastness in a real sense is exchanging at $5.83 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.76% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Which sort of is very critical. Axie fundamentally has a very complete market cap of $695,894,308, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $24,592,872 in an unobtrusive manner. This basically makes a share vastness, Axie's, sort of positioning at 62 in the cryptographic money market. Or so they basically thought. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Axie boundlessness cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Axie limitlessness explicitly be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Is Axie endlessness a for the most part wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Which certainly is very critical. Will Axie's cost generally outperform its unequaled high in an exceptionally large manner? These essentially are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future. Axie limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the Axie vastness estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $7.37. The normal really least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to sort of be $7.13. Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can basically arrive at an especially greatest value level of $7.89, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness, Axie's value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Axie endlessness cost generally is figured to basically arrive at a practically the least cost of $5.70 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie cost could really arrive at a very greatest cost of $6.48, with the for the most part normal expected cost around $6.30, or so they basically thought. Axie boundlessness, Axie's value expectation August 2023. The cost for Axie vastness in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $6.31 and $6.73, in spite of prevalent thinking. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around $6.55, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie's value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Axie boundlessness most certainly is supposed to really arrive at a by and large least value worth of $6.38, or so they truly thought. The Axie cost could generally arrive at a really greatest cost of $6.99, with the very normal cost around $6.68 in a by and large huge manner. Axie endlessness, Axie's value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Axie vastness fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to basically arrive at an essentially normal cost of $6.88. While the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $7.26 and a for the most part least of $6.58, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness, Axie's value expectation November 2023. The cost for Axie limitlessness in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $6.86 and $7.54 in a truly significant manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $7.16, or so they sort of thought. Axie boundlessness value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Axie limitlessness could stretch around $7.89. Besides, the minimum cost of Axie in December 2023 especially is $7.13, with a truly normal cost of $7.37, or so they for the most part thought. Axie endlessness pretty past value examination and in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 1.89% in its exceptionally current worth in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we certainly analyze the for the most part current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap fundamentally is additionally down most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness most certainly is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in a kind of significant manner. The Axie generally is down to nearly 6.96% in the truly most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for essentially past truly couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment. So in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023. What will Axie boundlessness in a real sense be especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie especially diminished by 37.924%, wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of $3.56 from its genuinely current worth, so this truly makes Axie endlessness, Axie's beautiful positioning at 62 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is very huge. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a kind of good in a real sense, purchase a valuable open door for the most part fast speculation, or so they certainly thought. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 50.27%, and the cost truly coursed from a genuinely least by and large normal cost of $10.80 to especially most extreme genuinely normal cost of $12.31 in the kind of beyond 90 days. Exceptionally further appearance how starting around 08 July 2023 Axie vastness sort of is exchanging at $5.83 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.76%. In truly most recent 1 hour, in a quite enormous manner. Axie limitlessness especially is somewhere near 12.26% with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around $6.96, and the exceptionally least in every practical sense, normal cost of explicitly was around $6.76 in extremely beyond 4 months. Exhibiting how generally is Axie endlessness, a fundamentally wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be Axie endlessness really worth in 2023? Or so they in a real sense thought. The Axie cost in every practical sense is determined to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $7.89, with extremely least cost of $7.13. Toward the finish of 2023, showing how Axie vastness fundamentally is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Does Axie limitlessness basically have a future? As far as value, Axie limitlessness in a real sense has a remarkable especially potential to arrive at new levels, showing how the coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for kind of past sort of couple of days. The coin could truly have all things considered, solid basics in any case. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in certainly present moment. So in the event